Hello, this is Abhishek. Today I am going to run you through loan recollection call auditing software that we have built after talking to a lot of digital lending companies. And after talking to them, we have certainly figured out a lot of issues. And I'll tell you the purpose why we are doing this. So currently, they don't have enough bandwidth to audit all of their calls. And given that they have 500 employees to make outbound loan calls, day on a daily basis, they overshoot more than 40,000 minutes of calls every day, and which is very difficult to audit. So we are here with our AI solution to automate loan auditing calls. After talking to them, we have figured out certain issues, and I'll run you through each and every issue, and let's dissect it. Let's talk about process error. These are the error wherein like a particular executive doesn't follow the script that was meant to be followed. Let's say they didn't give the greeting, they didn't set the holding statement, or they weren't asking the questions that they were supposed to ask. And all these issues will be reflected over here. And if when you click on a particular issue, a detailed description of what the issue was and the specific audio snippet wherein that issue occurred will be start playing from here. And this is not restricted to any particular language. We'll talk about it later. Let's analyze what is fatal call error. Fatal call errors are the ones wherein customer executive is guiding the particular user in a wrong way, or they particularly have inadequate knowledge to serve them. So let's say in case of Akash Kumar, the issue could have been resolved from the app itself, but executive asked user to come to the office. And everything is benchmarked to the knowledge that you have fed to our particular tool for guiding each and every issue and the product knowledge that our tool has. So everything is benchmarked from that. And you can always go to the specific audio snippet from there. This is important for companies to constantly evaluate agents as well. Moving forward, one of the most severe issue for any company, and that's the most damaging one, that's critical error. These are the errors wherein executive uses foul language or use abusive content during the talk, or even uses harsh tone while talking, or they comment on race, or they provide critical information about the company that was not meant to be provided, or personal information, or they do any sort of company defamation. So anything related to this particular topics will be directly flagged and reported over here. So these are important for the companies who are having a lot of calls, like modern lending companies. They have 40,000 minute plus call, and currently they are doing this based on random sampling, CSAT score based, or long duration. But all these topics has to be tracked and audited first as compared to any of the other things. Now that we have covered all the issues on certain parameters, we can also track performance of any agent. So let's say if I go over here, you have list of all agents over there. We detect tonality of the call itself. So we do audio level processing to see if someone is sounding harsh or rude to anyone. And then we have also have a proficiency wherein we evaluate on the content basis. And then are they following script or not? By the end, you have 100% of the call audited. All agents have been benchmarked to certain metrics that you have set. So you can improve your CSAT and track each and everything that's going on in your company. Now, as we talk about tracking everything that has been going on in your company, we can go to the search thing. This is the most important and interesting feature in our auditing software. Let's say if you have certain hypothesis how particularly this particular feature behaves in a fashion, or what are people saying about a particular thing, you can just type out a particular keyword, and every call wherein that keyword or anything related to what you want to search is being mentioned, that will be given out to you as a snippet, and a conclusive answer will also be given. So you can click on this snippet, and audio will be played from that particular snippet. So you don't have to go through all call recordings and find wherein they mentioned a particular thing and listen. You can directly jump to what you want to know from customers call across all your conversation that's happening in your company. So that was all about our tool, which helps you to audit 100% of your calls at fraction of your cost, and also evaluate agent based on their live performance rather than paper test that's been going on. That's all from our side. Thank you.